Hello guys, welcome back to my new Minecraft video, and today as you can see we are playing Minecraft again. Because it's an easy game and I like to play this. And before we start the video, I want to say don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, because today this is a parcel for me from Minecraft. Look just how much it's a beautiful thing here is. Look, it's a sunny day. Let me change my camera. So okay, so this is a parcel that is from Minecraft. I mean, you guys were asking me why, because this is some signs that I got when I was this was like here on this thing, so I broke them because I don't like signs. And here I had one sign for Aryan. For some I read it anybody, then I read it Aryan because it's like a little bit jumbled. For Aryan by Minecraft, a car for you, enjoy. So a car for me. I don't have any modes, which is this thing. So let's start it, guys. I don't know. I'll take my trusty with my gold pickaxe and let's start digging it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a car. I really don't think so if it's a car. It's like a box of some tissue papers or some slimes. Minecraft, are you seriously kidding me, bro? If you really send this to me now, really, I don't like you. So guys, this is around of a car. First I will try this. I don't know how this car moves, but if this car will move, then I will see how we build it, because I think I've seen this car anywhere. I think so. So I don't know how we start the car. Let's try anything. Let's start this lever. Will this work? What happens? I just broke the car, guys, and the sticky piston also. So how I can fix this again? That's not. Oh, I know how to fix this again. If the normal piston can push, so a sticky piston can bring it back also. But then that. Wait a minute, that's not fair. Yep, that's correct. Minecraft. I don't like try to eat my brain, okay? I just really don't like when you do these things like this. Okay, it's again. So I think it will be a big fool if I try that and everything else. Let's try this. Land. Put it. What the hell is happening? This car wants to move, yes or not? Minecraft really hates you. So guys, I was thinking, I think guys, you know I'm not a good builder at this, and I don't know how I decided to fix this car. So let me try this again. Did I have to break this and then I had to do this? Are you seriously kidding me, Minecraft? I have an idea. Let's take, what's the sticky block? Come on. Put this here. Hello piston, bro. Nice to meet you. Seems like that same car. Okay, so I think I have to stop this car, because this is like worst. Are you kidding me, Minecraft? This is the end, guys. End. I don't like this car. We could talk about this Minecraft later. I don't think so that. Oh, I didn't go on the fire. Salute to the car which was standing there. And by the way, this is my world, and nobody's joined this world. And what the hell is this happening to my world? And what is this? Is that a sample of that car? Oh, this guy is still alive. Salute. Lot of damage. Damage. My world is totally destroyed. So let's build a house for me. So I have not built a house for such a long time. I forgot that this version don't have the colorful glasses. I was having that colorful one. Okay, now it's time to do okie dokie. So let's first start this from the entry area. Let's cover this area with wood and orange wool blocks. Okay, now put some wool. I am feeling too good that you cannot imagine that I just live. Baby, find out. How do I time pass my time? Na 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 na. ले जाए मुझे जहाँ हवाएं 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 ले जाए मुझे हवाएं 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 ले जाए मुझे जहाँ वो हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे हवाएं 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 मैं रहूं या ना रहूं तुम मेरे बिन बस इतना ही है तुमसे कहना बस इतना ही है तुमसे कहना बस इतना ही है तुमसे कहना बस इतना ही है तुमसे कहना। और क्या गाऊं भाई? चलो भाई हिंदी में तो गाना गा लिया, सब थोड़ी इंग्लिश गाने गाया जाए। I think that was something like that. You think I'm crazy? You think I'm crazy? Friends, not good. So don't look at me with that look in your eyes. You really can go without a fight. You really decent goes and what the heck I'm speaking, bro? On the emperor. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. I'm a man and heart. Yeah, bro, I'm not singing anything. I don't know how to sing. Well, literally, I don't know how to sing. And this is like 9 o'clock in 9 minutes, and this time it's like this time I'm gonna have done my dinner and I'm at bed. Really, I'm like sleeping this time. I don't tell you one thing that I post my video that late because I'm like I go to my academy, Emerald Convent School is like behind the Wall Streets, so that's a little bit tough because it's like 3:30 my van came, then 3:30 to like it's like 6 o'clock, then I came home like 6:30. After that, then 7 or 7:30 around it's my tuition. So tomorrow is like my preparatory leave, so I will create some videos. I will be free, so I can't create any video. Thunder, the life is the thunder, 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 thunder. That the life is the thunder, 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 thunder. That's like if you like you have a lot of blocks and you have to build a house like really quick. So what you will do? If anyone will say me to build a small house really quick, I'll build this house. Like I was singing for like 2-3 minutes or around 5 minutes, and I built this house. Now the glasses are left. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, Tick tick 8. Tick tick 9. Tick tick 10. Thank God. I forgot the roof. That was lost. No worries. I will add this. This is a very good thing at morning or night. Just done wasting my electricity bill. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. 5, 6, 7. Tick tick 8. Tick tick 9. Tick tick 10. Tick tick 11. Tick tick 12. Tick tick 13. Tick tick 14. Tick tick 15. Tick tick 16. Tick tick 17. Tick tick 18. And tick tick 18 have done my house. Ooh, there's a little bit silly mistake in the house building. Titty. Tutu. 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 Lovely, small, sweet home. Next time to build a special bed for only for me. Thunder, life is the thunder. Okay, so in this version there are not colorful beds also. Like, why do I install this version for like free? I didn't want bed like that. Delete. Are you okay? Can I put my? Are you seriously kidding me, bro? Ah, my God. Oh, I know. I'll give it a little bit space. Let's make it here and place the beds. Then make it like nope. Just make it like that. Oh my goodness, this is like it's too hard for me to control this right now. Okay, then let's add some bed sheet, yellow and blue. Oh guys, I'll see you in a minute. Let's just take some talk to my mother. Guys, if you know not like this time the India and Pakistan match is coming, so if you guys are like fan of like India or like if you guys just like me, so don't forget to watch the match because you know I'm an Indian, so I want that my India should win, and like therefore my mom was phoning me for that. Okay, I can't sleep right now. Really good. Set time 120. No, 120. Unknown command. Try help for list of command. Flash help. I want to see if time. Clone. No. I want this time. There's no time in this. It is. Well, lovely house. Okay, take this wool, my favorite color, and this. After that, press the sign. Hey, I found the sign. Aryan Gaming. Aryan Gaming Hero. Aryan Gaming Hero /HOUSC. Yes, house. Do not enter. Do not enter. Enter without GOLD and golden It's like Silver Seal Iron Gaming House. Do not enter without golden pass. Because if they will enter, they will seem like it's a normal house. But they forgot about one thing. That I'm having iron doors. So here are the iron doors. Let's add this iron also so they could not. And it's fixed also. So they do not, if they try to do something weird or something else, they are stuck in here. Then they know how much, like, you know, what is going to happen with them then. Can I add something up here also or here? So I cannot add anything up here or here. I'm totally stuck in here. This is like now window, so I don't have to do anything. When I came home, then how I will open this gate. Let's make it like a switch. That switch is this block. Then it's like just like this. When I came, like I could put the switch in. Welcome, master. So I'm gonna close it in time that I wanted. Then I close it. It's time to run. Okay, dokie. Blue, brown. No, this should be brown. This should be blue. Okay, now blue, brown, and brown. Again, the mistake. Brown, like this. It should be like this, then this should be like. Then the blue should be here. Blue. This is like wrong pattern. I done this right now. It's okay. This much is okay. Run my house. Not of Europe. It's not a place. Finally, I have created a simple house. It's on the trader. Chicken. Lovely doggy. Name tag and a lid. And don't forget about the bone and a color for his team. Green. No. My favorite color is yellow, and yellow is that. Oh, baby. Oh, so cute. Oh, don't run, baby. I will not harm you. Just tame you. Come on. Stop there. Tame. No, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Oh, you will kill him because I... Bite him. Good job. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. I'll name you Brave. Okay, I'll name you Brave because you're brave. And then a bravely work. I will give you a little bit of mutton, not a lot of, so you just grown up like, you know, bigger and bigger. Actually, a little bit bigger, okay? So let's stand up, leash you. Like in this version, you see this leash in like top versions. If you see that leash, like makes like it's falling down in the elastic. Oh no! Run, Tommy! Run, Brave, run! Quick run, Brave! It's raining. Quick run! You have time, Brave. Run fast, quick, go, baby! Come on, baby girl! Come on, run! My house is here. Quick! Jump! Come here! Tommy! Come here! You just come here. And you should sit. Hang on, I need to sit. And you just wait here, okay? Okay. So now this is holy house. Going. Come on, going. Not outside. Stand. Leash. Quickly have to close the iron gates also. Come here. Now unleash it and then first of all let me sit you. And this. Now you can roam around the house. I'm going to sleep. Settings. Obviously they should be off. Where are you? Where are you? Got you, find you, I found you, I found you. Nope, not there, not there. Let me give you a name, Brave. What is that? A rebel. Yeah. Then broke. Okay, I know. And this is the last one that didn't broke. Okay, now you want to have Brave. B-R-A-V-E. Killing stand my inventory. Okay, my Brave. Come on. Find me where I am. Find me. Come on, Muggy, don't be like this. It's raining outside. We can't do anything. I can't let you go out in the rain. You have to stay in this little cute house right here. I'm sorry, buddy. Let me feed a little bit more so you just sleep over here somehow. Where are you? 1, 2, 3. You become a large dog. No, I can't do anything. Brave, you just become a really big dog. And you just salute. Now please sit down, Brave, and get up of that. You know you're a big dog. Brave! Don't do so much annoying, Brave, or I will hit you. Come on. Wait. Oh man. What did I do with yours, y'all? Come on. What I have, do you want this? Do you want it? Do you want some chicken? Yeah, you have some chicken. Now please, for God's sake, don't attach to the wall and get out of there. Okay, I'm flying away. Tommy, open the gate, Tommy. Don't my dog help me. Brave, open the gate. What the hell are you doing there? Brave. Okay, Brave. It's time to give you a little bath. So, I will take you in the rain first. After that, I will take you somewhere else. Oh. Quick, come, Brave. We have time. Run the way and stand here. Now I'm gonna clean you. Sit there for a little bit of time and get a little bit wet so I can, Ready? We have been back. Now you're feeling cold. Let's go. Now I think now you will not send me again. Come in. Now you can just come in. Come in. Are you a hacker, Brave? Don't be a hacker. Come in. Come in. Brave. Brave. Now you're making me angry now. Come in. You will be sick out there. Come in. Come here. No. Wait. Sit. And then don't move. Okay, don't move. Together. That's how the walls drop out. So guys, I think this is enough for today's video, and I think you guys just like my video of how do you just enjoy life with like your dog and a mini parcel from Minecraft Pocket Edition. So if you guys like the video, just like it, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss my any video. And if you guys want me to like draw you same skins like this, just comment me below. I want some skin like same like this or different like that. I will build you that, but you have to give me your ID and like you have to give me your number and anything else, and like in my Instagram ID or like. I've not downloaded them, but I will download them soon. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.